So we've hired probably somewhere between over the course of a decade, 20 to 30 different people from the Philippines and for multiple companies. And we've always had a wonderful experience. The issue was the time change. So most places over there are 12 or 13 or 14 hours ahead of Central Time Zone in the United States, which we are. And so that has been an issue. And then also their accent tends to be, they don't have native United States English. They don't understand a lot of the sayings and things that we use. And so when clients are on the phone with them, you can definitely tell this person is from another country. We wanted to find somebody who was closer to our time zone. And then we also wanted someone who has experience speaking in the United States and with very little accent, and the bonus of being bilingual as well. The process is very streamlined. I was impressed at how quick it went, and I have a high sense of urgency. I like things done yesterday. And so from the very beginning of choosing, I went onto Google and I found a bunch of different firms who do this. And I really like you're basically a recruiter. You take a fee on the salary, and then after that, you pay the VA directly, which means more money in their pocket. And when you go through other services, they always, the amount, if you're paying them $10 an hour, really the person's only receiving $4 or $5 an hour. And I don't know if that's always the most fair for the worker. The process was super easy. We had an intro call. You guys figured out what we were looking for in an assistant. And then you went out and over the course of, you said it was going to be like 3 to 4 days, but it was really only like a day or two. 6 or 7 candidates. There were probably 1 or 2 that weren't a great fit, 2 or 3 that were a real good fit, but then there were 2 that were outstanding. And one of them was probably more than what I was looking for. She has experience in a much larger firm doing a lot more volume. And so there's a potential that she might be able to teach us a few things as well. I have about 6 or 7 companies that I looked at. I booked 3, maybe 4 calls. And so you guys had availability quickly and you could get on and we can talk about it all. Done a great job in building out the onboarding process for someone like me, whereas you have videos of what exactly to expect. You have videos on what time tracking software to use, how to train your VA, how to make lists for them, how to, train them and get them up to speed as quickly as possible. And I thought that was a very valuable resource.